Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about some numericals. Numerical. A man pulls a block pulls a block with a force of 200 newtons through 50 meters in 1 minute. Find the power used by him to pull the block. This is the question. Now come to the given parameters. Once again I am repeating the question, listen carefully. A man pulls a block with a force of 200 newtons through 50 meters in 1 minute. Find the power used by him to pull the block. This is the question. Now first write given parameters or physical quantities. Given F is equal 200 newtons. Now distance S is equal 50 meters. Time T is equal 1 minute. Therefore time T is equal 60 seconds. Therefore work is equal how much and power is equal how much. This is the concept. Now solution. Now work is equal force into displacement, that is equal 200 into 50, that is equal 10,000 joules. Now power is equal work by time, that is equal 10,000 whole by what is the time? 60 seconds, that is equal 1000 by 6, that is equal 500 by 3. Therefore, power P is equal 166.67 watt. Okay, like that we have to solve such type of the numericals. Once again, work is equal force into displacement, that is equal 200 into 50, that is equal 10,000 joules. Now power is equal work by time, that is equal 10,000 by 60. 0 0 going to be cancelled, that is equal 1000 by 6, that is equal 500 by 3. Therefore, power is equal 166.67 watts. Remember, here small w indicates work, capital W indicates watt. This watt is the unit of power. Unit of power. Like that, we have to solve the numericals. Now we are going to discuss about another numerical. Now go for another numerical. Numerical. A rickshaw. A rickshaw. A rickshaw puller. A rickshaw puller pulls the rickshaw pulls the rickshaw by applying by applying a force of 120 newtons. If the rickshaw if the rickshaw moves with a constant velocity, with constant velocity of 18 kilometer per hour. Find the power of rickshaw. Find the power of rickshaw puller. This is the question mark. Once again, I am repeating the question. Listen carefully. A rickshaw puller pulls the rickshaw by applying a force of 120 newtons. If the rickshaw moves with a constant velocity of 18 kilometers per hour, full stop. Find the power of rickshaw puller. This is the question. So, first write given. First write given. Force F is equal 120 newtons. Velocity V is equal 18 kilometers per hour. That is equal, remember, 1 we can write it as 18 into 1 kilometer per hour. Okay, we can write it as 18 into 1 kilometers per hour. Therefore, 1 kilometer per hour is equal 1000 meters per 3600 seconds. That is equal 5 by 18 meter per second. Therefore, velocity V is equal 18 kilometer per hour. Rewrite as 18 into what is 1 kilometer per hour? 1 kilometer per hour is equal 5 by 18 meter per second. That is equal 5 meter per second. Therefore, power P is equal force into velocity. That is equal, what is force? 120. What is velocity? 5. That is equal 600. Therefore, power P is equal 600 watt. Like that, we have to solve numerical. This is the way we have to solve the numerical. Now, we are going to discuss about another numerical. Now, numerical. An athletic weighting an athletic weighting 54 kg runs up a staircase having 10 steps. Having 10 steps. Each of height each of height 0.2 meters in 30 seconds. Full stop. Calculate power. Calculate power. Question mark. Take G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, now given total vertical distance covered. S is equal number of steps into height of each step. Therefore, that means S is equal to 10. How many steps? 10 steps into each height of step. How much? 0.2. That is equal to 2 meters. Now force F is equal to mg. That is equal to 54 into 9.8. That is equal to 529.2 newtons. Therefore, work is equal to force into distance. That is equal to, what is the force? 529.2 into 2. That is equal to 1058.4 joule. What we want? We want power. Power is equal to work by time. That is equal to, what is the work? 1058.4. Now solution here. Here main the solution. Power is equal to work by time. That is equal to 10.58.4 whole by how much time? 30 seconds. That is equal to 35.28 watt. Therefore, power P is equal to 35.28 watt. Like that, we have to solve any type of the numericals. Okay. However, thank you very much for watching this video.